Hi, this is Zach from Data-Miner. In 3 minutes, you'll be extracting data. In this video, we'll cover the basic Data-Miner workflow, the tools of Data-Miner, and the different type of data you can extract. Now, if this is your first time using Data-Miner, you will have to create a free account by signing in with your Google ID. Now that that's out of the way, let's get scraping.
Data-Miner is very easy to use. It's simply an extension that lives in your browser and captures the information you see in your window. As you can see, I'm on a page that has a table with a few rows and columns, and this is the information I would like to capture. So just simply click on the Data-Miner icon that's in the top right corner of your toolbar. Now, as you can see, a window popped up. This window is displaying all of the public tools for the site, or as Data-Miner calls them, public recipes. A recipe is simply a set of extraction rules that Data-Miner uses to capture the data. Now, select a recipe for the page that you're on and the type of data you want to capture. Recipes are written by our users and created for specific pages. So, since we are currently looking at a Data-Miner page, we'll select a Data-Miner recipe, and we want to capture a table, so we'll select Table Extract, let the recipe run, and then just like that, we've miraculously captured the data. Now that we have the data, the next step would be to save the information.
And to do that, click Download in the top right corner, select the format you would like, and then open it in Excel.
You just extracted and saved information. Congratulations! And now that you're a recipe expert, let's have you write one yourself. Data-Miner is a very powerful tool, and writing recipes will just give you that much more power and control over it. All you have to do is just highlight and right-click.
So again, let's take a look at the table and highlight some data. Right-click on it, and now within the menu, look for the Data-Miner extension, select Data-Miner Get Similar, and voila! You've now captured data with your own recipe. Wasn't that easy?
Data-Miner provides you with powerful and flexible recipes to collect data from tables, lists, and any visible information from any website.
For this video example, I'll be showing you the Data-Miner Sandbox. This is a page located in the help documents, and it's an area for you to practice Data-Miner.
Here we have a page of search results in a list formation. For this information, all we have to do is click on the Data-Miner icon and select the appropriate recipe. Once that is run, download the information. And now that we have this data, let's take a look at a few more features that Data-Miner has. Let's say that there are multiple pages of information that we needed to capture.
Well, Data-Miner can handle that. Just simply press the Next Page button, and then Data-Miner will automatically go to the next page and extract your data.
And that's not all. Data-Miner can also fill forms and be programmed to automate scraping. And now you know the basic Data-Miner functionality and can start extracting data right away. Well, I hope this video was helpful. Happy scraping!